Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Suva Beauty Saffron palette. These colors are so pretty for the fall. I will put a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter that palette as well as my other giveaways that I have going on now. Yes, I do have multiple giveaways going on. I usually do. I have a big giveaway coming up very, very soon. And it's gonna have something to do with this little look here. Just a little sneak for you. Anyway, today we are talking about Allure. Allure is a monthly beauty box. It ships out every month and it's $15 a month. There's normally sample sizes. Every once in a while they'll put in a full size in there. I kind of go like this with Allure, and I'm trying to decide if for 2020 this makes the cut. So let me know what you guys think once we get done with this. If you think it's a keeper, one that you want me to keep reviewing, or if it's one that you just say, you know what, maybe your resources are better spent towards other things. So let's dive in and see what we got for the month of November. They always put a really cute girl on the front with a card, and the inside talks a little bit about the products. From Peter Thomas Roth is the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Full size retails for $52. And drench your skin with a liquid cloud of pure endless hydration drawn right from the atmosphere. This concentrated 30% hyaluronic acid cream transforms atmospheric vapor into fresh, pure water from the clouds, providing your skin with a continuous burst of intense hydration that lasts up to 72 hours. This molecule sizes are of hyaluronic acid, a potent hydrator that constantly attracts and retains up to 1,000 times its weight in water, which I do know that it does do that. From moisture in the atmosphere, it helps replenish skin, make it appear more subtle, full, and smooth. Ceramides help lock moisture with Pro-Hyal helps improves hydration for healthier looking skin. Antioxidant-rich elderberry helps defy the look of aging. The appearance of fine lines and wrinkles is visibly reduced, leaving silky, hydrated, and more youthful looking complexion. Love it. My battery is about ready to die, so I need to kind of hurry up and get through these. From Tarte is their Sea Color Splash lipstick in the shade Surf's Up. That's a long-wearing pigmented rich lipsticks that offered in an array of creamy shades. Color Splash lipsticks offer intense pigment with buttery smooth containers for a moisture-rich, long-lasting matte color that won't bleed. It's formulated with antioxidant, rich marine plant extracts that help make lips firmer, fuller, and smoother. Color Splash lipstick is offered in 24 shades, so you can swatch up your lip color. And here's what this one looks like. Ooh, this packaging is really pretty. It's kind of a marbly. You can kind of see that. It's a gold rim here. Here's what that looks like. Ooh, this is a perfect color for the fall. That's really pretty. I really like it. From Freeze 24/7 is their anti-aging serum. The full size of this retails for $115. I've heard amazing things about this. What it claims is that it banishes crow's feet and say bye-bye-bye to fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. With this groundbreaking eye serum, the lightweight, fast-absorbing eye serum delivers a youthful appearance around the eyes. I've heard good things about it, and I can't wait to try and see if it works for me. From Bliss is That's Incredi-Peel pads. full size, which is 15 pads, retails for $22. This is 5 pads here. And Bliss, that's Incredible Pads, is a spa quality peel that gradually releases glycolic acid to target fine lines, discoloration, and imperfections for smoother, brighter skin by morning. Effective yet gentle facial, delivers dramatic results without irritation. Spa strength formula with powerful levels of glycolic acid, inspired by thousands of Bliss spa facial peels performed by own skin experts. Skin texture and tone is noticeably improved after just one use. Convenient, single step, no rinse pads, no rinse. I'm not big on the no rinse part after that. I'll have to see. I do a masking and review series on this channel where I try on different masks, and so this will be one that will be in a future try on. So I've heard some really good stuff about this. This is the E.L.F. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. I know that this was out of stock for a very long time. I wanted to try it. I know that Jeffree Star and Rich Luxe both did reviews of these. They raved about it. They claimed that in some instances it was even, they claimed it was similar to the Tarte primer, and which is way more expensive, and in some instances even better, because this only retails for $8. So this is the Perfecting Powerless Putty Primer by E.L.F. Cosmetics. Creates smooth and preps with sequeling to moisturize and grip makeup for all day wear. The visually texture glides over the skin, smoothing imperfections for a poreless effect. I have been looking for this one, and so I'm super excited to get this. And then here's what this looks like. And then here's the interior, and yeah, it's just this kind of putty consistency that rubs right in, and you can't even see it anymore. I'm super excited to try this. From Curology is the cleanser, and it's a gentle foaming cleanser with anti-inflammatory oat extract that is non-geogenic, which is non-comedogenic and ultra hydrating. We did get the full size, I think, in the test tube a couple months ago, and then this one is the sample size. I'm not into foaming cleansers. To me, they strip more of the skin's natural oils and stuff, and I don't really like that. I'll do a balm first and then my normal just cleanser after that. So I'll probably be passing this one along. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me. When you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.